we had a little trouble going in. Yeah, they didn't want to let us in. They said our name is not even on the list. I drove 3 hours to get over here.
Ya tú sabes. Ey, ya tú sabes. That is spaz. Ya tú sabes. That I spaz. Ey, estoy escuchando los voces que dicen que sigo atrás. Los digo que sigo rompiendo. Still got my foot on the gas. Still going 100 what they doing.
How y'all doing? My new subscribers was bopping. For no one who wanted to do this since day one, mad love y'all. Appreciate y'all.
Esto fue que se anime al gym. I've been lifting up all of this baggage. Remember staying up 2 or 3 nights cause I didn't get no sleep, I was too busy trapping. Escribiendo un par de canciones para irme a sleep, man, you know I was spazzing. Pa' de blunt y se cae dolores.
Alright guys, so we're on our way to New York City. The homegirls know the product one that 4 lowrider bikes on stage, and I'm one of them, and I don't know what to expect. I don't know if I'm gonna be on stage or not, or just have my lowrider bikes as prop. Alright, so we is going to see the homegirls know the product. Taking the lowrider bike with my cousin right there, sister. So we're taking the beautiful lowrider bike to the show, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen right there. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned. Stay tuned. We out here in NYC, New York City, Times Square, baby. Walking with the bikers in here is a little difficult. Excuse me. NYC, baby, NYC. It's different. Look at this. Yes.
Yeah, you need the whole body though. I can take one more time.
So we here, we got the lowrider bikes, we got the homegirls lowrider bike, some homies lowrider bike right there. My homie Brooklyn John right there.
Just go to
We had a little trouble going in, but we should be alright right now.
Yeah, if you guys want to post up right here.
Yeah.
I'll be back down. Close down to the video down.
Bet everybody get their passes right now.
88.
Alright, I appreciate that. And we got the love, you know what I mean?
And this is yours?
Shit, we in here.
Y'all should have been told me. I would have been got y'all inside, bro. I thought y'all was outside for the, for the festivities and shit. I'd rather y'all get the money.
Oh, be careful with the tennis, be careful.
Hold on, let me back up. Let me back up. There we go. Yeah, you ride. I hold Jeezy. I hold Jeezy. Come on, Jeezy. Hold on, let me open out the door for you. Here, Juan. You'll go get the other 2. Okay. Here, hold it for them. Take care, Gigi.
Backstage right now. Yeah. We're in the back. In the room.
Hey, buddy, come on.
You guys gonna go on stage with this?
Yeah. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo estás?
¿Cómo va? Hola, hola, ¿cómo están? ¿Cómo están?
Right here?
Yeah, right.
All right. Hey, ¿cómo
Hola,
está?
señor, ¿cómo estás?
¿Cómo está? Hola.
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Mariachi.
And we got the bike from Backstage, Know the Product.
Y'all met Jeezy, right?
What Jeezy?
I gotta give this one a name. He's stone cold. He look like him. Look, okay?
Hi, how you doing? Nice to meet you. Big fan, big fan. Good cultural moments. I think it's gonna be amazing. We don't need no rehearsal. We just got chemistry, and it's gonna fucking be lit. So I'll let you guys know. You guys know my team back here too. You guys will help me out with when we're doing this. Ponte las pilas or mama. I don't know which one is for this.
I think, ponte las pilas.
Ponte las pilas. Okay, ponte las pilas. Mariposa, they're coming out. And then when we're done with Mariposa, you guys do I do Mariposa after the first one?
You can either do mariposa and then no traigo nada.
Okay, yeah. So then let's do that. That way we go into Ponte las pilas and we just keep on adding. So you guys stay on stage.
Okay.
We add more stuff. It goes crazy. It's fucking awesome. You good? You taking care of? How you feeling? All right. Anybody want a shot? Waterfalling.
I'll take a shot. Some tequila. Well, I appreciate that.
Yeah? We're gonna pray real quick. Y'all keep taking a shot. Of course. Yeah, if anybody wants to pray. Oh my gosh, really? Yes.
Let's pray.
Praise God. I know that's right.
I got man. Liquor mas.
What about Alyssa?
I took a big shot. I know that shit fell all over me. Get hype. Hell yeah.
Práctica.
So Snow the Product wanted some mariachis for her concert, and she got one of the best from New York. They're called Mariachis Reyes.
Give me the fucking sparks. Give me the fucking fog. All that shit. Hey, there's a fucking wolf mask. Okay. Great. And then we got two. That's cool. Hey, we in this bitch, yo. Y'all better get some fire ass posters. Where's all my photographers and shit that we brought? Everybody, get some fucking fire ass pictures. The next 30 minutes is just some Mexican ass shit going on.
That's good.
All y'all, turn the fuck up. Y'all ready?
Do it towards me. Not for this. Straight. Yeah.
This next one is called Ponte las pilas. I want that.
So you can move in.
Oh, I can move in?
They could be up a little bit more. Look at how they are. Look at. Put it. It's perpendicular with the angle of it. Y'all ready? The security's looking at the little girl like she just needs to magically get herself up on stage. They're like, yeah, I don't know. Yes, up there. Y'all go up there. Her too. Her too. Come on. These are... That's our future, yo. And they out here, they strong. They listening to Snow the Product. Listen. They could be talking about a whole lot of different stuff, man. You know what? Y'all too. These little boys right here. I just look like I'm taking everybody's children. No, it's because these little boys were at meet and greet, and he was like, Snow, I have to tell you something. I'm not Mexican. And I was like, it's okay. He's like, I'm half Puerto Rican. I was like, that's okay. Baby Drew, my son is half Puerto Rican. I was like, that's good. His little face lit up. I was like, Baby Drew's half Puerto Rican. He goes, hey man, we out here, all Latinos unite, bro. Turn up. You too? Come on. Last one, come on, you in the front. We gotta do ponte las pilas, que se van a poner las pilas. De ahora en adelante se van a poner las pilas, bro. It's lit. Baby, you too? Alright, at this point, I feel bad not bringing more people. Listen. Alright, one last one. You. De los míos. We drink cookies. The lowriders, no drinking and driving.
Yo guys, I ain't gonna lie, I didn't think I would be on stage with Snow the Product. This is crazy. I ain't gonna lie. I thought, you know, when she asked for lowrider bikes, I thought it was gonna be lowrider bikes for prop. I didn't think I was gonna be on stage with my lowrider bike. It's crazy. Like, it's a crazy moment, crazy experience. Like, it's... And to keep it 100 with you guys, I wrote Snow the Product about 3 years ago. I told her, listen, I'm like, yo, what's up, Snow the Product? I see that you're coming to Reading, PA, you know, around my area. I have a few lowrider bikes that, you know, if you're interested, be on stage with you. And, you know, being her artist, she didn't read it. You know, it's cool. It is what it is. But look at me now, guys. 3 years later, I'm with my lowrider bike on stage. On stage with the homegirl Snow the Product. This is why you gotta be true to yourself and just keep going. You know what I mean? Just go for your goals and just keep doing what you're doing. Don't stop. And to top it off, I'm in New York City. Crazy.
You need flags.
She's all right.
I think I'm just gonna do the classic, like, ¿cómo se llama? Caballo Dorado style, just back. Let's just keep it set. Y'all look really good, actually. Yeah.
And I ain't gonna lie, yo, she got love in New York City. You know what I mean? Over here on the East Coast, this is what we do. For me, like, we have fun. This is a celebration. You know, this on stage, drinking, chilling. You know, we have fun. I mean, this was a party. You know, especially on stage. You know, like I said, I had a lot of fun. You know, it was a great experience. You know, to share the stage with, you know, the homegirl Snow the Product. You know, I've been following her for a minute. She's cool people, and this is why I'm gonna keep being a fan of hers.
EDM version. We're gonna keep everybody up here. We're gonna rep all this shit, but I'm gonna go down into the crowd. I wanna have fun with y'all. We're gonna film me with y'all. Y'all ready, everybody? Put your hands up, vibe out with me. This is my last song of the night. Sábado honestly gave me a brand new fucking breath of fresh air. And I'm so proud and happy to have I made it live on TikTok with my producer that I started with.
And I gotta do the voice over the video because I don't want YouTube to ban my video, to mute my video, so I gotta do this.
so much. I had a fucking amazing time. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate y'all. Thank you to my guys here. I am gonna be
Shit lit, yo. Shit lit, you lit.
Hey, what's up, guys? I hope y'all enjoyed that video. I know I enjoyed my night. It was a crazy night. It was, I did not expect to be on stage neither. Like I said in the video, I wrote her about 3 years ago to have one of my lowrider bikes on stage with her. 3 years later, look where I'm at. I'm on stage with her. It's crazy. At the time, back then it wasn't my time. Things come by slowly. You just gotta be patient. And if you keep doing what you're doing, guys, be true to yourself. Things will come naturally. You feel me? Things will come naturally, and stay humble and always work hard. You feel me? I just want to give a shout out to the homie Brooklyn John, Snow the Product. It was nice meeting you. And I had a lot of fun that night, and like I always say, guys, always pray. Never forget to pray. Be true to yourself. Always reach your goals and just keep going. Never stop your craft. Never stop your hustle. There's times where, we slack off. There's times where we're like, man, I'm not going anywhere. But you are, man. You keep going. Keep doing what you're doing, guys, all right? Like I always say, keep building, keep riding, keep living. God bless you and have a good night. Peace.